Hey guys, Zach Calvin here. Super exciting video today because we are putting on new knuckles from Blu808. Now these new knuckles, watch out buddy, these new knuckles have adjustable ackerman, and what that does is it changes how much angle the lead wheel has versus how much angle the trail wheel has. So I'm super excited to put those on. Let's go ahead and pull the cars out, move the cars around, make sure the dogs are out of the way, and jump into it. What's great about this is it has adjustable ackerman. 4 different positions. It uses just a standard washer, so I literally just set it wherever I want, and then that goes into the tie rod. Very excited to try this out. I'm gonna try to get this installed right now because we have a track rental, and ideally we'll be able to get the Camaro aligned and take it to the track and test these puppies out. So let's go ahead and jump into the install. If you're interested in an angle kit for your Camaro, Blu808 is definitely the way to go. It's all billet aluminum. Billet knuckles, billet lowers, completely transforms your Camaro. It's stronger. You can use this not only for drifting, you can use it for road course, autocross, rally cross, whatever the heck you're into. It's going to strengthen up your steering. It's going to improve the steering ratio, so a quicker response, and just all around a better product than the factory cast aluminum knuckles that Chevy has. Okay, so pretty straightforward to remove. First, I'm probably going to take the brakes and rotors off. Then I'll likely take off the tie rod, the lower control arm, and then finally I'll take off these 2 bolts. So let's go ahead and get to that process. First step is these 2. Actually, I'm going to disconnect the 10 mil for the brake line, and then it's these 2, probably 19 or 18s. Take those off. That'll take the caliper off. Then there's 3 bolts on the back side. Let me see if I can show you that. On the back side of the knuckle. And that takes off the entire assembly here. Okay, so here's the current version that I have on the car, and as you can see, it is a fixed tow rod point, which means we can adjust the ackerman. Here's the new version, and as you can see, we can adjust the ackerman to 4 different settings. Super excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this over to this and reinstall it. Okay, I've got it on the second setting. I got the tow reset, and then I've got the jack stands on the LCAs to kind of simulate load. This is full lock. Still a ton of angle on the lead wheel. And this is the trail wheel. It's definitely closer to 0 ackerman. Try to see if I can get a different view. No, it's definitely still way more on the lead wheel. But Jesus, that's a ton of angle, man. This angle kit is so gnarly. Let me kind of see. I think I'm gonna try the 3rd setting, honestly. I made it to the track with both the cars. I eyeballed the alignment on this, didn't have time to go to the alignment shop, so we're gonna see how it does. It's definitely off a little bit, but I'm curious how it's gonna drift in this setting. I'm probably gonna change a couple of the ackerman settings while I'm drifting today, and then the vet's solid. Main thing is to see if it overheats today. All right, getting ready to go out for our first lap. Again, the alignment on this is just eyeballed, so I want to see how it feels. And this is the first pass on this kit, so I'm gonna go out, give her all beans. You ready?
I have no idea what layout that is, but it definitely isn't what we talked about. And reduced engine power just came on, so that's sick. Usually I just have to clear the code though, and it'll be fine. I think the pedal commander basically fucks around with it. But it feels good, honestly. I think with the proper alignment, this could be the setting that I stick with. Feels nice and fast. But let's fix this shit that's going on, and then we'll be good. Can you go grab me the only thing that has a wire? You'll see what it is in the toolbox. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is for the pedal. So that doesn't look like the layout that they sent.
Not at all. I was gonna ask that.
I was out there and like I went to do the layout, but I couldn't because there's cones in the way.
Yeah, I started looking at the map and like that first turn won't look anything like it's supposed to.
Yeah, so I'll have to ask Christian what the hell's going on with that one.
Is that a code reader or what is it?
Yep, it's a code reader. It's gonna read the code and then also clear it. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the pedal sensor, but we'll find out right now. So let's plug this sucker in.
Hey Zach.
Yo.
Did Christian already get the money?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he's missing me.
Alright, so no, we don't need that. We need vehicle functions, read DTC. I'm betting it's gonna be pedal position sensor or something like that. Let's see, vehicle speed sensor, that's not gonna do it. Yeah, see, throttle pedal position sensor, I get that all the time. I'm gonna go ahead and clear it, and then we'll be good. Clearing, turn key off. Okay, now we'll start it. And we're good, so no check engine light. No idea why it keeps doing this. But I still have a service StabiliTrak on. Oil temps are good though. Yeah, so we're gonna wait for some people. That was a decent shakedown pass, aside from the line being like, I have no idea what the hell they're trying to do with that layout. So we're gonna wait and go out with Darius in this GTO. All right, probably gonna follow Brandon. Don't know if he knows that I'm gonna follow him, but we're gonna try it. Hopefully I can get my gloves on in time. Yep, sure can. Such a good lead. All right, gonna go out with Brandon again. right, gonna go out again in the Camaro. Really wish I had a proper alignment, or at least toe plates. But just gonna drive it, see how it does. Hell yeah. His leads are so smooth. Scaredy cat. I'd say overall the angle kit is super solid. I did hit full lock there on that lap, and at full lock the tire was rubbing. The lead wheel I could feel rubbing, and it almost made me spin out. So I want to do some additional testing on the various holes, because I want the lead wheel, if this was my lead wheel, I want it to have the same angle as the trail wheel, so to look like this. Previously it was like all the angle and then just a little bit of angle, like a 20-degree difference. Now it feels better, but it's still not zero Ackerman, meaning the lead and the trail are the exact same. So I want to do some additional testing, but I'm super impressed with these knuckles. So that's probably going to wrap up this video. If you guys liked it, make sure you leave a thumbs up. If you have a Camaro, if your friends have Camaros, make sure you send this to them. Because again, these knuckles, they're completely billet. The lower control arm's completely billet. It improves everything about your car. The way that it handles, the way that it drifts, the way that it rides. It's just amazing. You would think with this car, I've got a twin disc clutch in it, crazy angle kit, you would think it would not be street driven, but it drives better than stock. The clutch doesn't feel too aggressive. The steering feels better than stock. So I mean, absolutely love this kit. I need to put the AC back in the car, but other than that, I completely love driving this car again. I was loving the Corvette more, but now with this, definitely love this again. So yeah, I'm loving the angle kit now. Feels phenomenal. Let me try to put it at full lock real quick. It's pretty much full lock, so we'll get a look at it now. So this is the lead wheel. As you can see, I'm on the inner setting. And then this is the trail wheel. Also on the inner setting. So I like how this feels a lot, honestly. Feels really good. Luke, you crushed it. Angle kit is amazing. Everything looks incredible, all polished up. Billet roller control arms. This is the absolute truth. But probably gonna let the cars cool down. I'm basically out of tires. Oh yeah. So that's gonna be it. Hope you guys like this. See you next time.